What's up, you fragrance addicts? In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the fragrance I created in Olfactory Factory, New York City. Of course, I always say I'm going to bring a knife and leave it here, and I never do. But I got this very cool pencil that I could probably open this with. So yeah, this is part 3. This is the final part. I finally got the fragrance in. To be honest, they had pretty fast shipping on everything that I did receive, so thankful for that. I just realized, I don't know if I showed my address. I'm gonna have to look back at that. But yeah, I mean, excited. Created my first scent. Well, my second. This is the second time I do this. And the first time was a few years ago, and I did do this in person. The second time is going to be through, I did it, this was a gift from my girl for, what's it called? For Christmas. She got me the kit to pretty much make your own fragrance. But yeah, it came bubble wrapped. I'm gonna go ahead and move this away. Nothing in the box, just the box fragrance. This is a 50 ml. I did change the name from what I said I was going to change it to, or what I said I was going to name it. Okay, so I named it Erebus. Erebus is the god of darkness. A little inspiration from Argos fragrances of their Greek mythology stuff. This is going to be the color of the label. Here's how the box looks like on the back. Actually, let me show you this card. So, this card says Adventurous, Spiritual, Pure, Erebus. Exploring the heart of patchouli leaf blended with the clean beauty of rose and lily reed. Well, rose and lily. Reed is eternally curious. The set was created for you in an olfactory New York City scent studio because it was made fresh with natural ingredients. A slight shift in color may occur over time. That is true. My first bottle that I still do have, it's darkened up since I first received it. So it's custom match. Top note, it says grapefruit, middle pink peppercorn, and the base cognac and suede. But for the ones that watched the last video, then you know there's way more to this scent breakdown. Nervous, excited. The scents that I did smell in the samples, I did not actually pick. I picked sample or fragrances that I believed I would like. Here's how it comes in, and the inner label's a different part. So this could be very good, very bad, because instead of, right, there's blind buying, but then there's blind creating. So let's go ahead and spray it on the back of the hand. Hopefully, well, let's see if I made something that reminds me of another fragrance. Huh. This does not remind me of anything. If anything, very, I guess this would be this, I think I chose cedar in it, if I'm not mistaken. Very woody. This is actually a really good fragrance. It's a really good fragrance, but it kind of smells like the wood aisle in like a Home Depot. Which I do not mind, honestly. I think I did a good job. I think... Let me spray this again. Let me spray it out in here, see what I get. Out in the air, you could get more of the rose. I don't really smell much of the Reed DNA at all. The suede, very light. It's not like a leather dominant fragrance, which is a good thing. I don't get much of the cognac, but yeah, I think this is actually a really good, I did something really good. I did something that's, you know what? I'm not sure what kind of wood is used in Perfume. This is probably like Perfume, but like a cedar dominant, if that's not what they use. Let me check. If this was a like let's say if it was in a certain house, I would say this fragrance would probably fall in the Tom Ford kind of style. Okay, so Perfume does not have any cedar wood. This is definitely like a flanker to Perfume. I wish that I had the entire note breakdown, but I do not. I did a good job. Tom Ford hired me. I just created something that could probably be in your line. This could be like a, I don't know, like a cedar fume. This is good. This is what this could be. I'm definitely looking forward to wearing this soon, and then giving it a review, seeing how it changes. But yeah, I think I'm happy with my creation. Yep, very happy with my creation. But yeah, from what the last bottle I have from them, which was a few years ago, I think the cap is different. It has olfactory, it's like a wooden cap. I think it is different, but I'm not too sure. I would have to, actually, yeah, because I think the, if I'm not mistaken, the one I have is black. But yeah. The best color for this instead of the blue label would have probably been like a dark red kind of label. So my bad. Yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Please let me know what you guys think of this. We'll be trying this out. If you have a olfactory factory New York City around you, I know they're in Washington D.C. I believe they're in Texas. I think they're also in, well, they're obviously in New York City. They're in a few locations. Definitely give this a shot. Try to create your own fragrance. I think it's like $85 for this bottle after your creation. So you could also make like what I did last time. I actually got the body wash and like the shampoo or something. But they have more options. Like you could make this into a candle. Not sponsored. I'm just letting you guys know this is a pretty fun thing to do, especially for people that are into fragrances. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Please leave a like, subscribe. Ooh, now the Reed DNA comes out a little bit more, so it's a little bit more rosy. Slight powder. Ooh. I'm not gonna lie. I thought I was gonna be really disappointed. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Have a good one, guys.